Hey there, everybody. Emmett Ferguson here, and I'm about to share with you how to publish or self-publish your very first own book on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. And this is so valuable for anybody who's ever wanted to write a book, or maybe you've considered publishing, or maybe you have so many blog posts out there that you just want to get it into a physical copy. Maybe you just have a story to share with the world, or maybe you just want to, or you're a business person and you just want to build another source of income or establish your credibility in a field some more. This video is going to help you. And I'm going to show this all to you live right now, how to publish your book. Now, this video does assume that you already have a book, it's already been formatted, and you already have a cover for it. And other thing, the reason why I have that caveat is I have other videos that will share how to outline your book, some common editing mistakes, and even how to design a cover. And they might not be uploaded depending on the time that you see this video. However, this video is specifically for how to get it uploaded, get it all set. And for anybody who just wants to write a book, that you can at least see what the process is and how simple it is, that it's not this scary, frightening thing. Yes, you'll have to design a cover. Yes, you have to write the book and edit it and format it. But to get from those steps to the final product is just so easy. So this video is for you, and for anybody who has just been concerned and doesn't even know the steps or isn't certain. I've published multiple books this way. Let's see, 20 Scientific Habits, The Power of Starting Today, Act as Becoming a Business, Like Your Way to Success, Don't Be Selfish, Share You Are with the World. I've gotten all these books self-published, written, designed, and all that. So with that, I'm going to share with you the exact steps to do this. And I'm going to share with you to get the paperback, because on Kindle, if you can get the paperback written, you can also do the Kindle. And what's great about the paperbacks is you can also purchase copies for yourself at the wholesale price. And as soon as you get it up on Amazon, it's going to show up with your name. And when they search your name or they search the title of your book, your name's going to pop up on Amazon. How amazing is that as your very own product? So we're going to get started right now with the paperback details. So this book title is Self-Publishing Your First Book, and the subtitle is Doing It Quickly. So we're going to do this quickly, and this is, again, just the process to get from your book, your materials, of having a cover page and having your manuscript ready. And I can show how to do that in a separate video. However, this video is also for people who have not written those or not designed the cover yet, because I want you to really get an idea of the process. Once you have an idea of this process and how simple it is, maybe you'll have that motivation to just start writing. Because if you're just a writer, then you might be scared that you can't do the cover page, or you don't know how to get all the material online, you don't know the technical elements. Well, don't be, because Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing has made it so simple for you. So I've got the book title, got the subtitle. I've never written a series, but you can write the series name if you want. Edition number. Let's say this is edition number 2, and the primary author, I am the primary author for this. And the contributor, let's find a contributor, someone who wrote the foreword, happy YouTuber. And with that, you wrote the foreword description. This is an amazing, awesome YouTube video guide to help people and everyone self-publish their very first own unique, awesome, amazing, wonderful, informational, informative, entertaining book / booklet / soft cover book / Amazon Kindle book / future bestseller / product. So description, you've got all that. I own the copyrights in this, and this is not a public domain work. Of course, I know some people have used this platform to publish public domain works, which means books that have, and I'm not a lawyer, this is not legal advice, but I've heard of this happening is people take books that were written long time ago. I'm thinking like over 100 years ago, and they just republish them because they can, because there were no limitations on the copyrights or something. But I believe it has to be a public domain work, and you have to read the text, and you should probably talk to a lawyer about it, not go based off of what you heard someone online say. So with that, keywords, let's say YouTube publishing, Kindle, Amazon, video, education, entertainment, and moving on. So what categories are these? So categories, we're going to look at, is it reference? So reference, we're going to do handbooks and manuals, but it's not really a handbook or a manual. Here we go, writing skills. And then we're also going to do this as a self-help. So it's a nonfiction, self-help, and we're going to look at personal growth. Let's say success. Yeah, success and motivational, inspirational. Oh, I can only select two. Let's remove that. Let's say motivation. I like the idea that I'm motivating. And creativity. That's good. Personal growth, success, and motivational, inspirational. Save. You've got that. It's not in large print. Does this book contain language and situations for people under 18? No. It's for everybody and everybody. So save successful. Next page. Usually I have KDP assign me an ISBN. So an ISBN is essentially a way to assign your book. And what's interesting about this, I don't know specifically what this means, to be honest with you. So when you do this, make your own choice. I've never used my own ISBN. I think there's a lot of technicalities, or there are some legal issues related to what it means when you assign your own ISBN or use a free ISBN. So I'm thinking, read the fine text, like right here, everyone assigns it. And, when you get it assigned by Kindle, I don't know if it means that they own your book rights forever and they can do whatever they want with it after you're long out of the industry and gone. I don't know what that means, but, definitely read the information before you do it. However, I just wanted to get a free KDP ISBN. Enter the date. And the thing is no matter what, if you go through a regular publisher, then, they're going to own your material anyway. And if you go through your own ISBN, maybe that's the only way to be perfectly self-reliant. However, I prefer to delegate some of the technical stuff to Amazon. I just want to do the writing. So publication date, never. I'm never going to publish this book because this is just an example book. However, you might want to put a publication date down here. I actually never bothered to put a publication date for my other books either. So you can choose the color paper, different sizes. This is where it could get interesting because 6x9 is a really standard one. Most books are written like this, especially in the space of nonfiction. However, if you want to do another size, some of the smaller books like romance novels, or if you have a smaller book and you just want to write an ebook that's only like 25 pages, you could make it look like more if you use a smaller format. So you can use smaller sizes. But for the sake of this example, we're going to go ahead and use standard written format, 6x9. No bleed. We're not going to do any bleed on this. And you can choose the matte or the glossy finish. So the matte has a different feel than the glossy. Of course, glossy is shiny, and matte is like a surface that's not glossy. It's just like a matte finish. I'm sure you could see it on cars. When cars are not shiny, they have that really fancy, it's not reflective. And manuscripts. So I've got a manuscript already, and I'm going to share that here. So again, this video assumes that you already have a manuscript. And this is going to be uploading. And of course, if you already have a manuscript, great. If you don't, you're going to have to write one at some point if you want to have a book. And I will at some point make another video that shares with you how you can do this. However, for now, just focus on the idea of how simple it is to get your book out there. Once you have the document format, all you do is click upload. And then, of course, you're going to want to use do a cover. Now, I'm going to show you real quick how to make a cover through Amazon, but I don't recommend Amazon's cover creator because it is a little bit unusual. It's not, and you can't really customize it. So there's some cool stuff. They do some cool and interesting designs and do-it-yourself designs. You have to update it, and you have to, type in all your text and everything. But I don't think it's as customizable as I like. So usually I end up uploading my own. All right, here we go. Here's my cover. And there we go. So my cover uploaded successfully. Yay. And it looks like you made some changes. So while it's processing, then you're going to launch the previewer right here. And again, I just happen to have a cover already. And even if you do not have the cover already, this is still a great video to watch, because I will share a video of how to make a cover in the future. But for now, just get an idea of how simple this all is, this process of getting your book from start to finish, in terms of the specific publishing aspect of it, not the writing or the cover design. Because the thing is you can get a cover professionally designed for just a few bucks if you go on Freelancer or Upwork. Or if you want someone else to format and edit your book for you, you can find someone else to do that, or you can do it yourself. It's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and just share with you this final process so that you know how to do all of it, and that you can also be self-reliant in some way. So this is going to be great for you. And right now, all it is it's analyzing my book for me. It is analyzing the book to see what the issues are and see how it can improve them. And it's at this point, once you get the uploaded file, once they start checking everything, that's when they're going to let you know, like, okay, are you ready to proceed or not? And here's the thing is I can't come up with every single possible problem that's going to happen. However, at least what's really great is that Kindle Direct Publishing will tell you specifically what problems you have to fix before you can proceed. And that's where the value of Kindle Direct Publishing comes in. Like, it's really simple, much simpler than you might imagine. And as this uploads, it's checking for typos. I think they're checking for typos or major grammatical issues. They're checking for formatting of the cover. They're checking for formatting of the book. They're checking to see if certain sections are going to overlap. And you'll see in a second, they're going to give you a file. And as you can see, pagination, like, they are very, very thorough with this technology. I mean, it's amazing. I think this technology alone is, the secret that Amazon has, not the fact that technology to do it. All right, so this is my cover. I think I might have wrote the book in a different format, so of course it's not going to fit here perfectly. But sometimes if I designed it better, or if I designed it exactly to these specifications, then it would have been fine. But ultimately, just get the idea of the fact that you can upload a cover, and that Amazon, you have to go through this analysis process of going through everything. So, you go through all of this. You go through all these pages, and then you say, now here's the thing is it does say that I can't continue until I fix these issues. but I'm not too concerned with that. So I'm going to have to end this video here. I can't show you all the problems of how to fix these issues. However, you just got the basic process. You got the general overview of how to upload your book and get it self-published onto Amazon. And all that's left now is you save and continue. I don't even know if it'll let me save and continue, but it moves on to pricing. Okay, you can't, but all it does is it moves on to pricing, and you have to choose your pricing methods for Amazon. And once you select your pricing methods and you've gotten it approved by the book previewer, it's also going to go through one more step, and that's the in-person process, where someone is going to look at your book real quickly. I don't think they do any editing, but what they do is they do a human check based on the launch previewer. Based on a previewer. And this previewer is a fantastic tool. Usually it helps tell you exactly what you need to do to fix your book. So actually, let's just go back to the example real quick, to my imperfect example. So print viewer found some issues. Error, your book has errors. It won't meet our quality standards to publish your book. You will need to fix the errors. So the expected cover size is blank, but the submitted file size is blah, blah, blah. So please check. And it says, and it also caught my title issues. That's pretty cool. Anyways, it says that self-publishing your first book, the cover didn't match. So this is some cool technology. It'll tell you how to do it all. And yeah, so once you finish this, it'll probably say, okay, you can go or you can't go to the manual check, because if you look right here, it says rejected during the manual quality review. So right there, manual quality review. And that, folks, is it. That's really how you just get your own very first awesome, amazing, wonderful, informative, educational, fun, exciting, and entertaining first book self-published that you can sell to people, that you can use to market your business, that you can share with your friends, that you can be proud of, that you can have your very own product that you can use to help leave your legacy. And even if you don't want to do all of those amazing things and you just wanted to write something or have a place to hold all of your wonderful ideas and content, you can publish all of that into a book, and you have all the resources right now. The only thing you need to do is get a Word document, get everything written, formatted, and then get a cover page. And I'll make some future videos on those topics as well. But it really is this simple. You literally just click, add, and upload, and Amazon will do the rest of the work for you. And even if it doesn't do the rest of the work, like fixing your cover photo for you, you can either find someone to do it, or you can read the instructions that told you how to do it. There were some instructions that explain exactly what you had to do, and you can just upload that way. So with that, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was very informative, and I wish you the absolute best in everything you're working on. Have a wonderful day.